In this video, I'll be showing you how to disable laptop keyboard when external plugged in. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So the first thing you want to do is to force Windows to disable the internal keyboard deck whenever an external USB or wireless keyboard is active. You need to replace its generic driver template with a specific incompatible hardware placeholder. So what you want to go ahead and do is right-click your Windows icon and then go over to Device Manager, or you can go ahead and press Windows key and X. Now, once you're in Device Manager, scroll down the hardware tree and then look for the keyboard section, which my instance is right here. Now, what you want to do, you're going to see your internal keyboard list. They're typically going to be labeled standard PS/2 keyboard or PCAT enhanced PS/2 keyboard. And then all you want to do is right click it and then click update driver. Now, a secondary prompt line will overlay your screen. Click on browse my computer for drivers. Now, what you want to do is on the next screen, click on the action labeled let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and go ahead and click on that. And then what you want to go ahead and do is scroll through the manufacturer column list, select a completely different company like HID, and pick any random keyboard model name string for the right column and click next. Windows will display a warning toggle, but then just click yes to force install it, and then restart your laptop to lock in the firmware parameters. And then because of that, because you've done the wrong driver, your physical keyboard's not going to work and your external keyboard's going to work fine. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.